Makakausap po natin ngayon ang animal welfare advocate na si Rina Ortiz. Siya po ang CEO at co-founder ng Biyaya Animal Care. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, Ma'am Rina.
Hi, good evening po.
Ma'am Rina, nabalitaan nyo na po ba itong ganitong ginagawa sa Bilibid? Yung pumapatay at sa marahas na paraan at kumakain ng pusa sa loob?
Actually, first time ko po na narinig to actually nung tumawag po kayo na tungkol dito. This is the first time I actually found out about it.
So because, may I call you Rina? Because
Yes po.
Rina, if this happens in one, it must be happening in all. O
Correct po.
marami sa mga
Yes po.
ganitong, yes, especially in the provinces. So ang
Yes po.
ginagawa pa nga daw at hindi nabanggit sa report ay sinasako ito at ito ay base doon sa sulat ng ni Attorney Heidi Marquez sa Bucor na ang reports ay sinasako ang mga pusa at pagkatapos ay nilulublob sa kumukulong tubig hanggang sa sila ay mamatay. Pag hindi pa namatay, yan po ay binabatuta. Yes.
Yes, hindi ko po masabi yon because Biyaya Animal Care has been working with Bucor for 3 years. Nagpapakapon po kami ng mga pusa dyan at binabakuna, even yung mga aso. 700 na po, yung 700 plus po ang nabakuna at napakapon over the years. In fact, with Superintendent Bucales, that is in minimum, medium, and maximum security. And the cats are returned there. Nung nakukuha po namin yung mga pusa, wala po kaming nakikitang payat, wala po kaming nakikitang may sakit, so I'm not sure what this is all about. And also sa minimum and sa medium, I personally got to talk to yung mga inmates po dyan. At sobra silang tuwa na they are allowed to have the cats back kasi nga, trap, neuter, vaccinate, return. Nire-return po namin yung cats kasi yung iba sa kanila, wala na silang mga nagbibisita sa kanila. So they are very grateful. So I'm not sure what this is all about. In fact, when the bite incidences and scratch incidences rose in last year, ang ginawa po namin is binawasan po namin yung 50 cats. Kumuha po kami ng 50 cats para mabawasan ng konti. And we're looking for ways to strategize to maiwasan na pumapasok pa rin yung mga pusa. So,
May paraan po ba? May paraan ba para malaman what the truth is? Because, well, I highly doubt they're making this up. So paano po kaya ang proseso ng pag-imbestiga kung ito ay nangyayari nga?
Well, the thing is, we're even sa maximum po, we're not allowed inside maximum. So that will really be up to Superintendent Bongkasis, who I spoke to last night, na he will let me know what's going on with the investigation kasi this program was started 3 years ago with the Sir Katapang as the lead for humane way for the inmates to have some sort of companionship, but also the humane treatment po sa mga pusa sa loob. And it's not let pusa sa maximum po, pusa sa minimum and medium meron sila din aso. And like I said, on the ground, on the spot, kapon po kami dyan. And we also did TNVR where we go and we pick up the cats kasi hindi po kami pwedeng pumasok sa maximum. We
Okay,
don't
so,
know if this
okay.
is true or not.
Yes,
Oo.
opo, okay, so we got that. So I guess ang mangyayari, the accuser will have to prove it. Ganun na lang po siguro.
Yes,
Opo,
yes.
okay.
We invite the accuser and any such thing to provide evidence so that we can do better for the animals.
Yes, I understand that there is already a sworn affidavit para po, which was corroborated by an existing current inmate in our report. So ito po ay pwede rin namin isumite sa inyo, ano po?
Yes po, yes po. And Biyaya Animal Care now is a legal team. And we are also filing cases. So, especially in this case po, na since we are working for Bucor for 3 years now, maganda po yung takbo ng, we thought maganda yung takbo ng aming relationship. We would like to follow through to see and fill in the gaps kasi hindi dapat to mangyari because yes, the inmates find comfort in the animals, but also the animals need to be safe po.
Opo. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. Biyaya
Thank you
Animal
po.
Care CEO and co-founder Rina Ortiz.
Salamat po.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.